Alright, so the lawn tractor blew a belt the other day, and I got the F-150 here. I threw some tools in, and we're just gonna mosey over to the property here and see about getting a new belt on that I just got today. Yeah, I thought about blocking, but this is a little quicker to cart everything down there, and I'll probably have to pump up the front tires, so stand by. It is right over there. So I'll get backed over there and we'll get to work. Alright, got the mower deck off. Got the old belt off. New belt. They look like a match. Boy, that belt's seen better days, huh? So I'll get this belt fished in. There's really not much any room for me, much less me and the camera. This is one of those times I kind of wish I had the lifting pole assembly done on the farm tractor, because I would have brought that down here and just picked this thing up in the air with that. It'd make things a whole lot easier for doing this. This deck is a quick disconnect deck. There's these two spring-loaded pins and the plate on the front. It's got these little pins, and I drilled out the very front to take clips wherever I threw them. I put them in the cup holder. Yeah. So, quick disconnect, but it's still a pain to fish out from underneath there. It's a big deck, 54 inches. But I'm gonna get that belt on so I can get this back together and start mowing again before it rains, because it's looking like we might get something before long, so stay tuned. Alright, so I just went to put my gloves back on. Something felt funky in the tip of the one finger. I just dumped this guy out. So, yeah. Check your gloves before you put them on, I guess. Whoopsie. At least I didn't get stung. Alright, got her back together here. Yeah, didn't film much. There was a lot of me struggling underneath the thing. And, yeah. The belt on this, it's an 83-inch belt. And you gotta use a screwdriver to get it on the last pulley. But the 84-inch is too sloppy. I've tried this. And once the belt stretches a little, because, you know, they always stretch when they're new. So it's fine. I've even modified that to a little bit. I might have to pull things apart and do some work on that this year. We'll see how it goes. It'll be good enough for right now, and that's good enough for right now. So I'm going to put the F-150 back over home and see if I can't finish mowing before it rains. Alright, tractor's running. I have to play with the starter on that. So I'll let that warm up. I'll get the mowing here in just a minute. It is what it is. I gotta change the starter solenoid. I guess it's not. Well, no, I guess the solenoid's working because I shorted the terminal, so it's something with the key switch or the wire from the key switch down. I'll figure it out. So yeah, set that there, and we'll get the mowing. Alright, we made it. Got the tractor back over home. It's starting to rain now, so I'm gonna get in out of the rain. But yeah, on to the next thing. Alright, so we've had a lot of rain this week, and not a whole lot got done. Oh, this camera's taking a beating. Anyway, I haven't got pavers yet, so that stuff didn't get done. I started messing around with the tubing. I'm gonna pick up more of that tomorrow. This is the outline and pavers of my 4-foot extension. I gotta get pavers to fill in here. 4-foot extension makes this an 8x12, which would be like 96 square feet. So, yeah. I think I figured it out. I could go to like 12.5 foot, but I really don't think the 6 inches is worth me monkeying with it. And it'd be easier to find metal, the steel to wrap this in 12-foot lengths than 12.5, I'm sure. So get that handled probably this coming week, hopefully, maybe. Chop Top still running, F-150's still running. Green Ranger, among other things, it's got a pretty good parashake draw that I need to investigate. I was hoping to tear into that this week, but it didn't happen. So, see what next week brings us. I did get some work done on Dad's Ranger. I didn't film it, just little stuff. Actually, I'll take you guys up there and show you. Farm tractor, I got the bracket on here a while back. So, I got my safety thing. Work on getting Paul's Ranger up. That'll be dropping in some videos here, hopefully. And I have most of what I need, I think, for the Green Ranger. So I'll get that torn apart here soon. Got that all leveled up. That's in one of the videos here. Yeah. So got some new stuff on here. This little tube, this is 99 Ranger. It's got the vacuum pulse lock hubs. So this tube from the factory is regular steel and it rotted out. This is a piece of stainless tube I bought. Specifically ordered it in the right size. So I got that in there. It'll never rot out again. If it was my Ranger, I would have converted it to the live front axle, but it's Dad, so whatever. As long as he's happy, I'm happy. Hopefully we'll get to working on one of Dad's other trucks here in the near future. I need to try to go and spend a few days getting some of my stuff sorted out. Still need to get the heads off the dump truck. It's just been one thing after another. With all this rain, been mowing a lot. Mower problems. We're getting there. We're gaining. Oh yeah. The oil and gas caps need some gaskets, which I'm going to be ordering. But got it back together and had it running last night. So I'm going to get, for some reason it wouldn't fire off the new spark plug that I got. Cleaned up the old one, put it in, it fired, ran it a little bit. I'm not exactly sure. The plug that I took out of it is a Champion DJ8J. I'm trying to look online. I'm not sure that this is the correct plug for it. But it looks like it was pretty good for color there. So, anyway. What came was a L7T WX brand, whatever that is. I don't know. I'll get another spark plug for it. I'll get some gaskets and a new bar and chain. Get this all put together for Dad. Get it off my workbench. He doesn't know about it yet, but he will soon. So I think at this point, I'm probably going to close up for the night. So thanks for watching.